This is our easy guide to how to use the Samsung Google Chromebook. First, let's open it up. So now we're going to type in the password, and you should notice that the flashing dot is in the password box. So let's type our password in. Now we need to hit the enter key, which is this key here. It looks like an L. It's got an arrow just pointing there. Remember the golden rules. If you get stuck or lost, if you move this arrow to this house, and then if you click on the left hand of the keypad, so you just go like that, it always takes you back to your home page. The other thing to remember is if you get completely lost, don't panic. Two buttons can help you. The escape key is always useful. So let's just show that. If I put something on the screen, that box has popped up there. If I hit the escape, it removes it. And if you really get lost, if you press and hold the power key and the computer shuts down, if you release the power key now, wait for the light to go off on the power key, and then you're all ready to start again. So simply press the power key, the light comes on, and the Chromebook starts to boot up. Again, approximately 8 seconds, and it's ready to log into again. One other final tip is the backspace key. So when you type your password in, if you think you've made a mistake, you see some dots appear on the login just there. If you use the backspace key, you can go backwards and start again. So that's this key here, the backspace key, which is just below the power key. The main cause of this we found is accidentally changing the keyboard settings. Please check in the bottom right hand corner that your screen says GB, just noticed here. If it doesn't, it could say DV, like that. The way to fix this is to press the Alt and the Shift keys together. So here are the keys, they're on the left hand lower side of the keyboard. So put one finger on the Alt key and then quickly tap Shift, and then you'll notice it goes back to saying GB in that corner. First we need to power up the Chromebook. The power button is in the top right hand corner, just here. Press this button and wait approximately 8 seconds. Using the mouse pad. The Chromebook's got a mouse pad, not like a normal mouse, so when you move your finger around, the cursor or the little arrow moves around the screen. As you can see, we're showing Paw Mail, a Sideboard product here, which is a simple email client, and when you move over different boxes they change colour. Now to click, you simply tap, hear that click noise, on the left hand side of the pad and it works. To show that, you go back to return to main menu, and all I did there was click on that side, just like that. So looking at the screen, if I click in the middle of nowhere nothing happens. If I keep my finger on the mouse pad, move it across to show this all together, and click. Just showing you everything on the screen and the mouse pad together there. See, I move my finger, move the mouse about, move over a box, it changes colour, move my finger to the left of the mouse pad by taking my finger off, click, and away we go. Sometimes you may type in the wrong password and you'll get this message. Watch.